Pros, I'm trying to cipher real quick. What up, bro? I said, who wanna cipher in the room tonight? Grab the mic, everything is gonna be alright. I said, who wanna cipher in the room tonight? Grab the mic, everything is gonna be alright. Said we were just a bunch of kids like the Brady Bunch. Styles so miscellaneous, cats taking speed in LA with us. Favorite line of coats, you can hang them up. You straight, what's up? I don't know, I wrote a statement cause it was stating just how homie he was faking tough. So I gave him love, beat him up, broke his jaw. He claimed he got jumped, got on an orange suit. That hurt to see my man's in cuffs. It goes to show just how these Brooklyn streets with dangerous niggas ain't playing, son. Come round here shining, it's their timing. When things get violent, I live violent whenever they violate. That's why my style been to be silent, unless they want the shouting. I came into this game and ain't know what to make my play. Said my grace, figured that they must not know we're artists. Could we just starve an artist who became someone they all test? To them, I'm just a target, but I'm solid just like Target. I'm doing wonderfully, you make these bitches wonderfully.
I be flipping the bird to the public, I'm holding grudges. I'm always angry and I don't know who to blame, so I blame the government. You gotta love it, another youngin' that's suffering. I told him to fuck the world and made something from nothing.